Hey, this is Morgan with Sandbed Performance. Just want to give an update on the Lexus. So last time we found the huge vacuum leak going into the main air box from the main PCV port. Then there was a bad coil, so we fixed those issues, but it still had a misfire that would come on randomly. We got to checking on the wiring, and cylinder 2 and cylinder 4 both had the small green wire on the injector come out of the connector. Like both of them was broken in the exact same place. You could pull it straight out of the connector. And as well as those, the coolant temp sensor, also both of those wires come straight out of the connector. So I bought 3 pigtails, put all 3 on there, and I just got back from a test drive, and it's A1 now. I mean, it cruises, really responsive, have no check engine lights, real smooth, idles real good, fuel trims look great. So that's just an update. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe. It helps my channel out, and we'll see you next time.